it's Taylor. I wanted to just play in some makeup today. It's been a while, right? I mean, I know I am giving some variety on my channel, but my true love is just playing in makeup and making myself feel beautiful, and today's the perfect day for it. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this eye look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do like a neutral cut crease, but really build up that pigment, and then I might do a pop of color on the bottom lash line. But since I do want it to be very pigmented and dramatic, I'm going to go ahead and use a eyeshadow primer today. And what I'm gonna use is concealer and then mix in a little bit of the Morphe eyeshadow primer to that concealer. So let me mix that up. And then I have my setting powder already nearby, so I can set this pretty quickly. Let me grab a good pigment grabbing brush. Go in with my first color out of the Morphe 35OM palette. Alright, so now that we built that up nice, we're going to take that concealer brush and cut the crease with the concealer and primer combination. So I have small natural creases, so I'm going to overbuild where I want my dramatic crease to fall. And I let it fade into the dark. I don't want to make it a hard crease all the way over. And I'm going to use the gold sheen out of this. It's a pretty nice sheen. It's the Lisa Frank by Glamour Dolls. And this is the color Stargazing. A really pretty shade of gold, and it's the sheen that I wanted versus any glitter. So putting a sheen on top of a primer or concealer with a damp brush, it's going to give you the best payoff on anything, but especially like a sheen or even like a pigment. So because it is like a hard stop right here, I am going to go back and blend that in. I love it. The browns and the golds are beautiful. Now all we need is some eyeliner and lashes, and we'll do the bottom liner after we finish the face. And I'm gonna spray my face so this powder can go down a little bit, and spray it before I do the color so I don't like squeeze too hard. I hate when the powder goes in my edges and makes my edges look all like white. I hate that so much. Because we know edges are everything. It's very nerve-wracking doing this after my face is done. But since I didn't bake today, we're gonna risk it. Did mix a little petroleum jelly with the pigment. I'm using a blue pigment from Maybelline to do this pop of color under my eye. I really like it. Alright, I wish I had a more dramatic lash with me right now, but I'm out and I need to go restock. And so this will have to do, but I really like the look. All we need is bottom lash mascara and some blush and a lip. Probably gonna spray a little bit more and add some face highlight. So it's like a neutral creation on my lips as well. I did Colourpop liner, which is a darker brown, with Camel NYX, and then Khlo Money's nude with Kylie. Yeah. Now that the blue is dry, we'll draw on our little lashes at the bottom here. Lines with the liquid liner from NYX. See the final eye look. I love the pop of blue. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I had some fun. I was able to just play in some makeup, do a little summer vibes, bronzy goddess type of thing, and I'm loving the outcome. I am wishing for more dramatic lashes, but hey, I'll get over it this one time. So if you guys enjoyed this look, let me know down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and what is your favorite go-to look in the summer when you're thinking ultimate bronze, ultimate golden? Is it even gold, or is it bright colors? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me here today, and I hope to see you again. Bye. Leave me a comment down below if I should do all eye looks and like eye tutorials this zoomed in. Obviously, I just want to know if me cutting off my forehead is something that is going to help you guys see better, because it looks much better to me this zoomed in, but if it's like odd that I'm like cut off, I just want to know your opinion. So however best I can show you guys how to do these eye looks, let me know down below. I truly appreciate it.